Hello viewers, this is Simio, the wizard guy, and today's video we are going to look at how to create a document using WordPad. Now, I always get many questions from viewers asking me, is it possible to create a document using WordPad? The answer is yes. When you install Windows, you always have that application in your system, so it's easy. It's also easy to create documents using WordPad. So if you don't have softwares like Microsoft Office Suite, you can as well use WordPad to create your document. So how do you create a WordPad document? So on your start down here, you come and click start, then you type the word WordPad, then you can see it comes here, and then you click on it. So when you click on it, it loads the way you're seeing. Now it comes with some good features of which you can use to edit your document, although they are not so professional like other softwares. They're just essentials or elementaries. When you look at it, we can see we have home, we have file, we have view, then we have these buttons here of control section. In the control section option, we have close, restore, and then you have minimize. So we have this font section, paragraph, insert, only that. Then you have the clipboard, which has copy, cut, and paste. So those are the only features which come with WordPad. So you cannot edit a professional document, but you can do a quick document process. If you are too fast to create a document, then you can use what you call WordPad. So here we are. You can type in. I'm going to type the titles. Maybe this is about wildlife. You can see. Then you can do some formatting on it by changing the font colors, changing the font styles, font sizes, and even you can underline. You can underline like that. Okay, so you just select and then you go ahead, you change your font style. You can see, change your font style. Then you can as well increase the font size like that, the size you want. Then you can bold, you can center. You can see we have center here, center. Then you can underline. You can underline using these options here. Okay. Then you have line spacing, which is here. You can apply line spacing, but in this application we only have 4 options: 1.0, 1.15, 1.5, and 2 only, compared to a professional application that we can use to edit documents. So you can do that, apply line spacing. You can apply bulleting. You can see we have only 6 bulletin style, of which in the other professional application we have more than that. Then you can as well use this for increasing font size. Okay. Then we have this other option, which is for insert, date and time, and then insert objects. Then you have find and replace. Okay, so you can as well use them in this application. So this WordPad, it is easy for starting, for startups. If you need some basics of word processing, then you can basically use this application, which is WordPad. So we have an option for file. This is for saving. So it's better, it's good to save your work. So even in WordPad you can do it, you can save. So we come to file, we click save as, and then you do what? Locate where you have to save the document. So I'm going to save on the desktop. call it my first document. Then you click what? Save. Then you can as well print the work that you have typed in this processor. So you come to File, then you choose what? Print. Or you can print preview and see how your work is going to appear. Then if you're done, you can click print here, or you can close and then you go back, choose File, then you click on print. So here we have the print sections. You choose the printer name, then number of copies, and then you click what? Print. So that is the easiest way or the faster way of producing a document in Word processor.